mathematicians, welcome back to part 2 of addition of two-digit numbers with regrouping. Today, we will add numbers where one number has two digits and the other has only one digit. Let's solve the example together. You can see the question 35 plus 8. First, write the place values. T for tens and O for ones. Start placing the numbers from the ones column. We write 5 under O and 3 under T. Now look at the next number. It is only one digit, which means it has only one place value ones. So we write 8 under the 5 in the ones column. Remember kids, when a number has only one digit, it goes only in the ones place. Now let's start adding. What is the first step of addition? Yes, very good. Add the ones. The numbers in the ones place are 5 and 8. When we add 5 and 8, we get 13. 13 is bigger than 9, so we regroup. Write the 3 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. Now the next step, add the tens. There is no number under the 3 in the tens column, but we carried 1. So we add 3 plus 1 and we get 4. So after adding 35 and 8, we get the answer 43. Well done, mini mathematicians. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share this video and subscribe to Mini Mathematician for more fun math learning. Bye bye kids.